Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download YouTube Shorts. The YouTube app comes with an inbuilt download features that can be used to download videos, including shorts inside the app. While this gets the job done, you won't be able to share the actual downloaded video files with others externally. The process to download YouTube Shorts videos via YouTube on Android phones. Follow this video. Step 1. Launch YouTube app on your mobile phone. Then open the YouTube Shorts you wish to download. Since there's no dedicated download option within this UI, you'll have to go to your account's watch history. To go to the watch history section, press the YouTube present at the bottom. From here, tap the three dots bottom of the shorts you wish to download. A download video option will appear, then select it. Now, select the desired quality and hit download. YouTube video downloads are restricted to just 360p resolution, while YouTube Premium subscribers can enjoy downloads of up to 1080p quality. The YT short will begin downloading within the YouTube app. It's worth mentioning that shorts can only be downloaded via the watch history section, unlike long videos that have an download button in the video player itself. So, if you have watch history disabled, make sure to enable it if you wish to download and save YouTube Shorts on mobile. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.